All right, so today we are pressing in the solid bushing for this wheel, finishing fuel line and getting this running, finishing exhaust on the Predator, and possibly starting to mount these. I don't know if they're reproduction or original. Probably reproduction because I got them for so cheap, with the 33 through 39 Ford taillights. Those will look sick. And then get in focus, you bastard. There you go. Then horn is gonna go on here. Cool voltage meter and a momentary switch for switch for lights, and I have to get a momentary for the horn. That's, I think, all that's going on. And linkage for throttle and brake, but that's a whole nother mess. So another thing we have to do, as well, these brake pad shoes, because we didn't do disc brakes because we weren't that concerned about it. So we're just gonna keep with these clamp brakes. This one's cracked, not all the way through, but cracked. And the passenger side one is just completely destroyed. I'm about to press this thing in with maximum force to get this solid bushing in here. So that'll be nice and finessed. 400, 500, 600, 700. It hit 700 there for a second. Alright, we got this thing welded up right. Well, my dad did. And now we're going to put it back in the freezer. Alright, so got this wheel all welded up. It's supposed to be welded onto the axle. We used what size is this bearing? Like, what's it, like inch?
5/8 ID bearing.
Yeah, we used a 5/8 ID bearing as a spacer. The Predator's pretty much just done for and accounted for, minus the exhaust, which we're finishing now, and obviously throttle, but that's a whole different monster. Then we're gonna work on lining up chain, sprocket stuff for the Tecumseh, put the fuel line on, put the spark plug in, and then the engines are situated, and then it's throttle linkage time and brake linkage. Yes, sir. All right, let's fire this thing up. This thing looks so absurd. That's so funny. Bro, listen to this thing climb RPM. Listen.